Nothing is more soothing than watching a rhythmic machine perform a mind-blowing task effortlessly. So sit back, relax and enjoy as we share 10 of the most satisfying inventions in the world. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep up to date with all of our future updates. It's been a while since 3D printing was introduced, and the number of things you can create with this machine is incredible. 3D printing in these difficult times has proven to be of great value and is being used to make face shields and even ventilators. You would be surprised to know you can actually 3D print a house yourself, and yes, I mean a real life-size concrete home where you and your loved ones can live comfortably. New story: a housing charity has partnered up with Icon, a construction tech company, in efforts to produce 3D houses on a mass level. The aim of the joint venture is to eradicate global homelessness. The company aims to create a 650 square foot home in only 24 hours for a staggering cost of $4,000. So, the process starts by first assembling a wooden structure. Then the giant 3D printer called Vulcan prints layer upon layer of the house with extreme precision. Once this phase is completed, the humans come and add the finishing touches like doors, windows, power and plumbing. The house consists of a bedroom, an office, a living room and a bathroom to ensure maximum comfort for its residents. Watching the formation of these homes is truly a satisfying sight. It seems as if a pastry chef is icing a multi-layered cake. The company's next move is to provide a safe shelter in the El Salvador region, where people live on less than $200 a month, by printing more than 100,000 homes. If they pull this off, the work of Vulcan would be even more satisfying. Seeing trash floating around the ocean is really unsatisfying, especially finding so much of it. It's really disheartening. It is humanly impossible to just collect all this rubbish manually, so a company called CBN Project came up with a solution: an ocean trash collector which is ecologically friendly and fun to watch. In simple words, it's a large trash bin with its head sticking out of the water. Inside this bin is a plastic mesh which filters the trash. A strong water pump is used to suck the water into the bin, along with all sorts of trash you'd find, like paper, cigarette butts, and countless other things. Once the bin is full, the mesh is removed to collect all the trash, which is either recycled or simply thrown away. Looking at the ocean water getting cleaned up is not only a soul-soothing process, but it is really peaceful to watch as well. Until now, almost 70 marinas have agreed to use these water bins, and it's just a matter of time when our oceans would be clean again. For all of you who are wondering about the poor fish that might get sucked into the ocean bin, well, when the handlers changed the mesh, they put them back into the water where they belong. No matter where you are, getting a flat tire really messes up your day. But imagine if you were in space, then what would happen? Innovators at NASA had the same concern in mind when they created a game-changing non-pneumatic tire called the Super Elastic Tire for future Moon and Mars missions. This new kind of tire, which seems as if it's made out of chainmail, is actually produced from a nickel and titanium-based alloys. The super elastic tire provides a superior traction to your conventional tires, eliminating the dangers of flat tires or tire blowouts. The tire simply rolls over any object in its way, changing its shape along the way. Looking at these bad boys in action, driving over ragged rocks and seeing its titanium chainmail changing its form, while sustaining no damage at all, is remarkably soothing to watch. Just imagine the unlimited possibilities for this tire on Earth. where you can ride anywhere on any terrain without worrying about changing your tire anymore. Though currently these tires are exclusive to NASA, and you are right, they cost a lot, but it's only a matter of time before they become more affordable and available for commercial use. Looking at this video, I can safely say that this is the most satisfying way to mold plastic. A company called Formtech designed a vacuum forming machine which uses heat and vacuum sealing technology to form a 4 mm sheet of plastic around a predefined mold. Simply place the mold in the bottom of the machine and insert the plastic at the top, and let it work its magic. After enduring a mixture of extreme heat, the plastic becomes malleable. Then simply raise the mold to allow the plastic to form its shape. Looking at plastic assuming different forms and shapes is really an amazing sight. Anything from toy cars to shoes, logos, gorillas, and basically anything you can think of can be formed in this machine. This is definitely the most satisfying and soothing way to mass produce parts or plastic toys I have ever seen. Here is another satisfying invention from the German company Optimus, which brings happiness to our eyes. The manufacturing giant has introduced a fast, clean, and modern way to level and pave roads. Seeing this machine in action is really a work of beauty. First, they start off by preparing the paving surface using an Optimus leveler. The machine not only levels the surface but also spreads gravel easily throughout the road. Watching these chunks of irregular gravel being leveled into an even surface definitely revitalizes your soul. Now it's time to lay out the bricks, and for this they use the Optimus Type T22 machine, which uses a 300-degree rotary gripper to lay them out. The T22 makes even this mundane job look exciting. And voila! Just like that, you could effortlessly build roads, driveways, or whatever you want. This shows that technology not only adds speed and efficiency, but can also provide relaxing entertainment as well. I don't know about you guys, but watching a drone fly is really fun to watch. But the Ilios drone from Flyability is double the fun. This tiny little drone is encased in a strong and sturdy circular cage for collision resilience. The company specifically designed it to fly into tiny, dark and dangerous places where humans or any other robot cannot reach. The drone is equipped with a HD camera which transmits live footage to the operator, which was otherwise inaccessible. The drone can be used to identify defects, take measurements, or simply inspect. Seeing this flying ball maneuver through dark and cramped up spaces is really satisfying and even more fun to watch. Have you ever seen a giant tractor-powered mower which are used to mow down large fields and wondered if you could maneuver it yourself? Well, your dream just came true thanks to the Brio Mile. To see this magnificent machine being used is nothing less than pure perfection. A sight of total satisfaction. I don't know about you guys, but seeing someone flatten everything in their way is just a remarkable sight. The BRIELMEISER makes your work easier, safer, and more efficient. Due to its low center of gravity, it offers amazing handling and safety even on slopes. This beauty can also be used as a gun turret to spray fertilizer or other material over a long distance, making your work quicker and exciting at the same time. The company also offers a double mower which you can ride on as well, changing the way you mow your lawn forever. One thing I really hate is organizing my closets after a seasonal change. I just find folding my clothes a very mundane and tedious task. However, Aeon Technologies developed SPEEDY for people like me. A semi-automatic folding machine especially designed for fast and uniform folding of garments. Simply place the unfolded garment onto the tabletop with the sleeves hanging down from the edges, and with the press of a button the machine folds it up in less than 3 seconds. First, the machine folds the bottom, then the sleeves, and finally the whole garment. The machine has 2 functions,
Either you can stack up the clothes, or if you need to wrap them up in plastic, the SPEEDY T stops the folded item mid-air for you to manually slip on the plastic. Have you ever seen a laser cutting machine in action? It's a sight of total satisfaction and relaxation. Just have a look at the THUNDERLASER cutting machine, which literally creates a work of art from a plain sheet of wood. Simply program the machine and upload the required design on its system. The laser then uses this as a guide to cut out the design. The THUNDERLASER is equipped with an extremely powerful laser that can cut through wood, fiber, and even metal sheets. Though the process is very slow and it takes about an hour or more to complete a job, if you look at the hyperlapse video of the process, you will be astonished to see the work of art being created. A process which will soothe your nerves and take your heart into a state of euphoria. This magical machine turns your ideas into reality, and the sight of this happening is extremely satisfying. Here is another machine to make roads, but this is a totally different sort of creation. Old conventional printers have been here for quite some time, and even 3D printers are a thing of the past. Meet the road printer. A Dutch company which manufacture road paving systems came up with an ecologically fast method to make roads. The machine literally prints and assembles the jigsaw bricks wherever you want it. The best part is it does it 5 times faster than the traditional method. The road printer is the perfect combination of technology and old school labor work. The workers bring the bricks and top up the machine, which assembles them and poetically delivers a perfect road. The machine can make up to 20 feet wide roads, all while steering itself to ensure a straight path. Seeing this process is really hypnotizing and incredibly satisfying, and one can watch this all day long.